Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to shoot in Aperture-Priority on Nikon Z30. To do it, you will need to click on the first set this mode dial to A, which is Aperture Priority. Now you can see the aperture is in this square. I can either touch adjust it by tapping, or I could also use this dial right here to change the aperture. Now the aperture is being changed, and according to that, it automatically adjusts the ISO and probably the shutter speed if needed as well. I'm not sure about that though. But you can also change the ISO by pressing on the ISO button, and while pressing and holding on it, you can adjust it. Then you can see it does indeed change the shutter speed, but when I release the button, it goes back to auto ISO mode, so the ISO will start changing automatically. But you can also press and hold on ISO, switch this dial once, like so. Then it goes out of the automatic ISO mode, and now when I press and hold on ISO, I can adjust it and it'll stay there. But remember, the aperture priority prioritizes aperture, so it means when you're adjusting the aperture, the other ones will be adjusted automatically, the aperture not. So now I'm in manual ISO and aperture manual as well, but the the shutter speed is automatic. Now when I go back to auto by pressing and holding and switching this, like clicking once on this dial, and then now I'm only adjusting the aperture because this dial is not doing anything. Yeah, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.